Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use STM CubeMX together with PlatformIO. This is a very powerful combination that allows you to use CubeMX to generate the initialization code for your STM32 microcontroller and then use PlatformIO for development and to build and upload the code to the microcontroller. I like CubeMX for the time it saves to write the initialization code, for conflict detection and resolution, and for keeping track of all pin assignments. For development, I prefer PlatformIO for its integration with Visual Studio Code, which I use for most of my development, also in other languages and for different microcontrollers. Let's get started. First, create a new directory for your project. In the project root, create an src directory. Then install and launch CubeMX. Create a new project. I'll use a STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill board, which is a popular and cheap microcontroller. Add the USB CDC middleware to be able to use a virtual COM port. In addition, I initialize PC30 as digital output to let the LED blink. Then I configure the crystal frequency to 8 MHz. To generate the code, select EW-ARM as build toolchain and reference the libraries. Next, I create the PlatformIO file in the project root. I set the platform to STM32Cube and add some include paths. That's everything required to set up the project in the build. Before uploading the code, let's add a simple hello world output via USB and let the LED blink. When I need to change the project settings, I simply do this in CubeMX and regenerate the code. Then I can continue to develop in PlatformIO. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.